What are you guys doing? What are you guys doing? Are you there?
Are you talking to me?
It's me. Hey,
Can you say that again? It's not coming through
what are you
clear.
guys doing?
Just playing outside. Come here. Daddy's talking to us. Come here. Come here. Come here, you mister. See? This is the only way I can get him. Alright.
Yeah. Did your parents come in?
No, they're getting him tomorrow morning.
Pardon?
They're coming tomorrow morning instead.
Okay, tomorrow morning. Yeah, I called you on your phone. You didn't answer.
I left it inside.
Alex.
It's Daddy. The voice of God is speaking
Ba
to
ba
us.
ba ba. Alex.
Hey, Daddy. You're coming up towards the camera. Yes.
Alex, काय सुरू आहे?
It's funny to hear your voice through that because, I mean, I can understand it, but it's a little warbled.
Yeah, the connection isn't great because I'm using data instead of Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
So I don't know how accurately you can hear the whole conversation.
Yeah. I mean, I can hear you. It's just a little different.
Okay. Alrighty. How's everything going?
Good. He ate good. He had a poo-poo, and then he screamed as I took him from being outside to go change him. And then we're back outside now. What time is it right now?
Okay. Well, I'll let you be. I'm not hearing good. I'm seeing you guys properly, but the audio is kind of shoddy. I gotta leave here in 5 minutes anyway. It's almost 4 o'clock.
Okay.
There's another meeting, so. All right. I probably won't get to talk to you after this, so have a good one. Make sure all the doors are closed.
All right. Not head first. Not head first. He's really doing that funny thing again.
Alex.
Say bye-bye, Daddy.
Tata. Tata.
Bye-bye.
All right. Bye. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Tata.
Oh, careful.
All right. Bye.